Over here on Prairie, we're starting to see some of these message boards go active. Hang on a second. Alright, now it's just flashing through a few different patterns. Kind of looks a little stretched out. I don't know if they have any calibration to do, but it looks pretty decent in person. I'm sure it'll look better at night. But this is Samsung Prism View, which is also responsible for the Oculus and all their 4K panels. Not sure of the resolution and if this is 4K or something lower. And you're also going to start seeing some of these little marker banners throughout the parking lot. For instance, you've got your lot B here, and I spotted a few others. I'll show you. Next to this Prism View panel, there's one of the other little banners, and you can see that pattern, which is ongoing throughout the stadium. It's on this, some of these signs. It's on driveway entries in the Hollywood Park signage. That's kind of the ongoing theme there, this pattern. And with the Oculus on, you can almost see the glorious new Rams logo. How about that? And you can see some more panels lit up. One of these smaller ones. I think this one says entry 3 and 4 on the bottom there. They're just booting these up so far, and see what kind of messages they display here in the coming days and weeks. So got some workers up on the roof. Here comes a jet. Bam. So you can see it there, the ETFE. I don't know. A bunch of workers waiting to file into the elevator. You can see way off in the distance here, those 3 poles. I'm guessing they're going to be flag poles. Now the Raiders, Duntoff recently showed, they've got a Raider flag, the United States flag and also the state Nevada flag, so we'll see which three they choose here. If they're gonna have California, USA flag, and would there be a Ram flag? Or half Ram, half Charger? What do you think? Scoreboard action.